In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and archive emails, including how to set up auto archive. If you're trying to keep your inbox organized, it's important to understand the difference between deleting an email and archiving it. Deleting removes the message from your inbox and typically sends it to the deleted items or trash folder, where it may eventually be removed permanently. Archiving, on the other hand, clears the email from your main inbox, but keeps it stored in an archive folder so you can still access it later. This is a great option when you want a cleaner inbox without losing important messages. To delete an email, start by selecting one or more messages in your inbox. You can click a single email or select multiple emails if you want to clean up several at once. Once the messages are selected, press the delete key on your keyboard or click the delete button in the email app. This will remove those messages from the inbox and place them in the deleted folder. If you think you may need a message later, take a second before deleting it to decide whether archiving would be the safer choice. To archive an email instead, select the message you want to keep but remove from view. Then click the archive button. This moves the email out of the inbox and into the archive folder. The message is not deleted, so you can still search for it or open the archive folder anytime you need it. Archiving is especially useful for messages that are no longer urgent but still worth keeping for reference. If you want Outlook to handle older emails automatically, you can set up Auto Archive. To do this, go to File, then Options, then Advanced, and open Auto Archive settings. From there, you can review the available options and choose how often archiving should happen. This feature can help reduce inbox clutter over time and make long-term email management easier, especially if you receive a large number of messages. If you're using the web version, the process is very similar. You'll still see buttons for both archive and delete, and the main difference remains the same. Archive keeps the message stored for later, while delete removes it from your inbox and sends it toward removal. Using delete and archive correctly can make a big difference in keeping your mailbox organized. Delete what you no longer need, archive what you may want later, and use auto archive if you want a more hands-off way to stay tidy.